Okay, client number 1. You're ready to switch the look. Are you falling asleep or what? Like, what's going on here? We're just going to take this off. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. And you wanted the red wig, which we haven't done in a while. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of shoulder massage, head massage, scalp massage. It comes in the combo, don't worry. I'm not charging you extra. Oh my god, it's giving Pennywise. I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry. Okay, you just want glasses. Okay. 8. Honey, can we get a pray? That was a very high pray too, honey. Thank you. Okay, bye.